हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू द देसी सिनेफिल। आज हम बात करेंगे गन्स एंड गुलाब सीरीज के बारे में। दिस सीरीज रिसेंटली रिलीज्ड ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स एंड फीचर्स एन स्टैक्ड एंसेम्बल कास्ट ऑफ राजकुमार राव, गुलशन देवैया, सतीश कौशिक, दलकीर सलमान, पूजा गौर and many more. The story of the series is featured in Gulabganj, a fictional village in Uttar Pradesh, or we can say the heartland of India, where Gulabganj and Sherpur are the two rival villages fighting over the control of opium in the state. Satish Kaushik plays Ganchi, the underworld mafia, or we can say the head of crime in Gulabganj, and Adarsh Gaurav plays his son, who is trying desperately to grasp his father's attention since he is the only son to his father. So Rajkumar Rao plays a Pana Tipu, a character who is innocent at first but gets involved in all this gang war and everything. He is pretty average, to be frank. What we can see, we have already seen many of such stories in 90s where rival villages fighting for control of both the villages or the people there and their criminal families and everything. This probably is the what we can say the slowest Raj and DK series, who have earlier created The Family Man and Fuzzy, which were great series to binge watch. And this series feels like what we can say the writing is pretty slow. What makes it interesting is the acting of the characters like Rajkumar Rao and Dalkeer Salman and Adarsh Gaurav. These three characters stand out in their performances. Rest are there who just do their job but are pretty great. We have a brief role of Gulshan Devaya as Charkat Atmaram, who has played his character pretty decent, and I wish to see of him more, but as the series ended, I guess we will see him in the upcoming seasons. So the story, what I told you, was about Gulabganj and Sherpur. Now let's get to the screenplay. This by far is having the slowest screenplay. Like, the series consists of 8 episodes, 6 out of which are 50 minutes approx in length, and the 7th episode is around 80 minutes of length. So it is like an 8 series episode, but it is tagged in 7 episodes. But the first 3 or 4 episodes, now they will test your patience in building up the storyline. And more frankly, that is where we fear that we will get bored. All of the things start escalating in the final 2 episodes when the story starts unraveling, characters start getting to know each other and crossing each other's path, and it sets up the finale. The finale was great, where we got to see many twists and turns, many character traits and everything. But probably this is the series which is made for people who would like to just for a time pass sort of thing. This is not something which I would recommend you very greatly, but yes, if you are a fan of Rajkumar Rao, I would recommend you to watch this. Otherwise, you can just skip it. So this was my review for Guns and Gulabs. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, and if you are new to my channel, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel for more such updates. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.